What's up everyone, this is Tony with JRNYcrypto. Today's video is going to be on Bitcoin and why I think we could be seeing new all-time high prices for Bitcoin by the end of November. We're hitting crucial resistance levels for Bitcoin right now, and if we do pass those, we could be shooting up to $20,000 Bitcoin and more very quickly. So I am very bullish on Bitcoin, especially with PayPal announcing they will be offering Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies on their platform now. So before we get into the video, please like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, hit the bell to be notified when I make new cryptocurrency videos. You can also find more crypto news at my website, JRNYcrypto.com. So with the recent news of PayPal offering cryptocurrencies now where you can buy, sell, and hold cryptocurrencies within your existing PayPal account, this gives access to 300 people that already have existing PayPal accounts to now purchase cryptocurrencies and hold them within PayPal. So that's definitely very bullish and a massive step towards the right direction for mass adoption for cryptocurrencies. I definitely think over the next couple months, we're going to be seeing prices of top cryptos really moving upwards and breaking these resistance levels. So just in the past 7 days, Bitcoin is up 15.7%, Ethereum is up 12.5%. We're seeing some other altcoins, Chainlink up 21%, Litecoin up 26%. I'm seeing a lot of people very bullish on Litecoin right now, especially with the price of it being around $60. With the announcement of PayPal actually offering Litecoin as well as one of 4 cryptos that will be on PayPal, I definitely think Litecoin is going to be a top pick for some people that just want to buy as much cryptocurrency as possible, seeing that it is the cheapest one that's offered on PayPal. I do think some people will be taking advantage of that just to get more coins. So Litecoin at $60 now being offered on PayPal to 300 million people, low market cap of 3.8 billion compared to Ethereum and Bitcoin 50 billion or more. I definitely think that's going to be a great option for people on PayPal. So I definitely see that going up a little bit more. I do think that's why it's up the most out of the top 10 cryptocurrencies. And I do believe that PayPal will be adding more cryptocurrencies later. They're just starting with Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, Ethereum, and Bitcoin. So that is a great sign. I was expecting PayPal just to launch with Bitcoin and Ethereum, but now seeing that they're offering 4 cryptos to start, I definitely think they'll be adding XRP, Chainlink, and Cardano in the very near future as well. And when they do announce something like Cardano ADA, that's definitely going to bring a lot of demand and put the spotlight on Cardano. With Cardano also recently launching staking, they have smart contracts coming by the end of the year. I definitely see Cardano ADA being a very strong investment for end of 2020, especially because Coinbase will also be listing them and offering Cardano ADA through their custody service, where you will be able to stake your ADA directly in Coinbase and earn passive income. So that's pretty huge. That hasn't launched on Coinbase yet. So the possibility of getting Coinbase and PayPal listing for Cardano is just massive. And smart contracts launching by end of year, where they're going to get a lot of partnerships from that as well. I will be doing updates on Cardano coming up in the upcoming couple of weeks as well, so do be sure to be subscribed and look out for that. Definitely very bullish on Cardano at a top 10 cryptocurrencies. Also very bullish on Ethereum and Bitcoin right now. So I do a trading series on Binance US where I'm trying to turn $10,000 into $100,000 in just a year. And I will be doing the 3rd video for that in the upcoming couple days as well. I haven't done a video in a couple weeks. I've just been holding Bitcoin primarily, but some Ethereum and other coins on there as well. So I will be doing that 3rd video and updating you guys on that. But right now, Bitcoin is actually looking really great, breaking key resistance levels. So Ivan on Tech actually posted this, Bitcoin looking strong. There is no resistance above $13.8 thousand all the way up to $20,000, which is the all-time high for Bitcoin. So definitely I think after Thanksgiving is when Bitcoin could be reaching that $20,000 price level again. If we do see Bitcoin testing that $13,800 and break past that, I'm very bullish on Bitcoin hitting $20,000 or more. Breaking new all-time high prices for Bitcoin would be massive for the cryptocurrency space altogether. And I definitely think if that happens, Ethereum will be passing $1,000 again. So I can see Cardano hitting $1 by the end of 2020. If they do get the PayPal listing, the Coinbase listing, they do launch smart contracts to get some partnerships out of that, and Bitcoin and Ethereum break their new all-time high price, I definitely could be seeing Cardano hitting $1 and being one of the most bullish out of the top 10. I definitely think Cardano is undervalued right now at 10 cents. It definitely has massive potential with the platform they've built, and everything is coming together for Cardano right now. They just launched staking with the Shelly mainnet. So everything's coming together for Cardano. That could have the most major events by the end of 2020, especially if Bitcoin and Ethereum hit their new all-time high prices. That's going to be bullish for every cryptocurrency out there as well. So I definitely am very bullish on Cardano, as well as a couple other of the top 10s. XRP, I do think it's undervalued right now, especially if they do announce a listing on PayPal for XRP later on as well, which I do think they will be doing. So if we check out Bitcoin on TradingView, we are at that key resistance level where we did peak out last year, June 2019. We're currently at those prices again. So if we do break above $13,200 to $13,800, which is where our next resistance level will be, there's really no resistance past $13,800. So we could be shooting up to $20,000, hitting new all-time highs for Bitcoin very quickly. And I do think that's very possible end of November, especially with everyone getting together for Thanksgiving, talking about Bitcoin and other finances. I definitely think this could have a major effect on Bitcoin. The last bull run that we did have at the end of 2017, it really did start picking up after Thanksgiving. And I think this is because everyone getting together with family and friends, they're really starting to talk about Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies again as a great investment. We also had the Bitcoin halving in May, which reduces the amount of Bitcoin created per day from mining, from reducing it from 1,800 Bitcoins per day down to 900 per day. This makes millions less of Bitcoin coming into circulation over years. So every 4 years, they do cut in half the amount of Bitcoin created per day. This is just to keep the scarcity growing for Bitcoin as well. So as we have demand spiking right now because of PayPal and other major things for Bitcoin, bringing lots of demand to Bitcoin, at the same time, the supply is dropping because we have the Bitcoin halving, and people are just taking more and more Bitcoin out of circulation as an investment and a store of value right now. We have the governments around the world printing trillions of dollars, which is going to cause massive inflation. So people are really looking for alternative stores of wealth to keep their money safe and not to lose value from inflation. So a lot of people are investing in Bitcoin just because of that. Many people are considering Bitcoin that never would have invested in Bitcoin previously. And this is all coming together right now. I do think we're going to be seeing the real estate market crashing within the next couple years as well, pretty badly. Especially because of demographics. The baby boomers are starting to retire, move out of their bigger houses into healthcare and other assisted living. So there's going to be a lot of houses available, and the younger generations don't care as much about owning a house, and the younger generation is having less kids and everything. So based on demographics, things are definitely going to be changing in the real estate market. Money is going to be fluctuating from different markets. I definitely think Bitcoin and cryptos are going to be on everyone's radar right now. So there's more millionaires in the world than there is Bitcoins. There's over 50 million millionaires in the world owning $1 million or more. So there's only a max of 21 million Bitcoins that can ever be created, and many of those are lost forever. Millions of those won't be coming into circulation for years because of mining. So considering the supply and demand, Bitcoin is definitely undervalued right now. I think it's going to be skyrocketing very soon, especially seeing as Bitcoin hit these prices last year before there was even a Bitcoin halving. So the fact that we did have a Bitcoin halving in May, and now we have PayPal announcement and everything growing, and we're currently at the same peak price that we were in 2019. Previously, the highest price that Bitcoin has seen was during the peak of the last bull run. So we're only been seeing this $13,000 price level for Bitcoin. This is the third time now since the last bull run. So I do believe we will be passing this resistance level with the news of PayPal. And I do think we're going to easily break that $13,800 resistance as well in the upcoming few weeks. And by end of November, I do believe we will be past $14,000 Bitcoin, headed up to $20,000 Bitcoin and higher for new all-time high prices for Bitcoin. Just the supply and demand right now, I could definitely see this playing out, especially with 300 million people on PayPal now having access to easily buy Bitcoin. Before, people would have to create a Coinbase account and other accounts that they don't trust to go buy Bitcoin. And at the peak of the last bull run, I actually got some of my friends and family to invest in Bitcoin and cryptos, but there was problems that they encountered, like their bank would block their purchase. They just couldn't get registered. There was too many people registering, so they just couldn't get registered, or some other things happened. They didn't end up buying cryptocurrency because of this. So this time around, having many more options to actually buy the Bitcoin and have access to that, especially with PayPal, you can just log into your existing PayPal account and purchase that Bitcoin right there, and they hold it for you somewhere that many people are going to trust. So many major news sources are also covering Bitcoin and PayPal news recently as well. Market Insider, CNBC, many news channels on television, all covering this news. And I do believe PayPal will be doing some paid marketing soon as well to their 300 million plus existing users. I also heard that PayPal is looking to buy out BitGo and other cryptocurrency companies. So they are looking to get into cryptocurrencies very big. The PayPal stock actually hit new all-time highs because of this cryptocurrency announcement. So PayPal could be becoming one of the main players in offering the purchasing, selling, and holding of cryptocurrencies in the upcoming year. And that's very bullish for cryptos in general. Just having more ease of access to cryptocurrencies means more people will be able to buy it, more people will share it, and that'll take more and more crypto off the markets, out of circulation. Less supply while there's more demand only means the price of cryptocurrency skyrocketing. So this is why I'm so bullish in general. Also, just from past history of Bitcoin, we should be seeing the price go to new all-time highs by the mid-2021 just because of the Bitcoin halving and scarcity. But we're also seeing major demand we've never seen before because of inflation and the coronavirus and everything else happening around the world as well. So something else major that people aren't really talking about as much is PayPal also announced they will start letting people use cryptocurrency to pay for things online starting in 2021. So I heard over 26 million retailers will then have access to accept cryptocurrencies as payment. You'll also be able to use your cryptos in your account as payment for goods and services if those retailers do accept that. So that's massive in itself. That's really going to put cryptocurrency on the map, in my opinion. Really the biggest place on the internet for digital online purchases. So that's definitely going to skyrocket the volume of cryptocurrencies and have many more people using cryptocurrencies than ever before. So really early 2021, I think, is really when it's going to get started, but people already have access to purchase and hold this cryptocurrency within PayPal. So I do believe it's already started, and we will be seeing the price of cryptocurrencies go up from here. I don't think we'll be seeing Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other cryptocurrencies go back below $10,000 for Bitcoin unless we have a major event that really causes panic and people start panic selling just to get the cash out, like we did see with the coronavirus mid-March, where we did have the major stock market crash. Cryptos crashed really huge as well. I saw Ethereum that night go as low as $80. Now Ethereum's at $410. Just insane. The return on investment, if you did take advantage of that. So like Warren Buffett says, be greedy while others are being fearful. So in that case, when people were being fearful mid-March and selling to get that cash out because they were scared with what was happening with the coronavirus, if you did buy in at that time, you would have been greatly rewarded, already up over 400% return on investment if you did buy Ethereum in that market dip. I actually did trade up a lot of my XRP for Binance BNB coin. At Binance BNB being $8 in that dip, XRP was 13 cents. So XRP really hasn't recovered as much as Binance BNB, so that was a great move on my part. I'm definitely glad I did that. XRP hasn't had too much great movement lately, but I do think it will have its time. Once Bitcoin and Ethereum do hit their new all-time highs, I think XRP will easily hit $1 within the few days after we see Bitcoin hitting an all-time high, like we did see at the peak of the last bull run. When we did see people making a huge return on investment with Bitcoin and Ethereum, they were reinvesting into other altcoins like XRP, Litecoin, and other top 10 altcoins, and those altcoins quickly seeing 300% return on investment or more in a short period of time just because of people reinvesting their profits from the top cryptocurrencies. So I do see Litecoin and XRP doing pretty well, especially if PayPal adds XRP by end of year, which I do believe they will be adding XRP and Cardano at least as well as Chainlink within the next few months. I do believe PayPal is going all in on cryptocurrency, especially since we had that announcement that they'll actually be letting people accept payments in cryptocurrency as well, giving access to 26 million retailers to use cryptocurrencies for payments. That's going to bring massive volume to cryptocurrencies. I think this is when cryptocurrencies really gets put on the map, and this is when we're going to be seeing a much larger percent of the world getting into cryptocurrencies for the first time. We're going to see retail FOMO unlike anything we've seen before. I think the peak of the last bull run is going to be look very tiny in comparison to this next bull market, especially since there's so much more ease of access to cryptocurrencies now, with many new platforms offering cryptocurrency as well. So I definitely see new all-time highs coming for Bitcoin, and I definitely think we'll be breaking that $20,000 by end of year, possibly by the end of November. It depends how things go. If Bitcoin does test this resistance level of $13,800 and breaks that, we could quickly be seeing $20,000 coming. So do be on the lookout for Bitcoin breaking that key resistance level. If that does happen, things are going to be heating up very quickly for all cryptocurrencies, in my opinion. And with PayPal now having access to 300 million more people purchasing cryptocurrencies instantly, and if it gets really bullish and we do break this $13,800, there's going to be a lot more media coverage on Bitcoin, and that's really when I think a lot of FOMO is going to kick in. We're going to quickly see $20,000 price. So I definitely think we're more likely to see $20,000 by the end of year than we are for Bitcoin to go back under $10,000, in my opinion. So that's it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys found it useful. Please share if you did with friends and family. Spread the word that Bitcoin is possibly hitting new all-time highs very soon. I definitely think this is a great opportunity right now, and we will be seeing new all-time highs very soon. So thank you guys again for watching it. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell if you haven't already to be notified when I make new crypto videos. I'm doing regular crypto videos on important crypto news and cryptocurrency hidden gems that have huge potential for huge return on investment. So again, thank you guys so much for watching the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.